All right, so here's a quick video just to show you how you are going to upload a project from Explain Everything. So on Explain Everything, you are going to see in the upper right corner this little purple circle with an arrow kind of pointing out of it. And that is where you're going to go when you are ready to share your project with your teacher. So all you're going to do is you're going to go here, you're going to click it, click this Create Web Video link. And when you click on that, it's going to give you this menu of options here. You're going to click copy link. You're copying this link right here. And then you're just going to take that copied link. You're going to go to the Google form. You can find that Google form on the homework slide or on Moodle. You're going to fill out your first name, your last name, what class you're in, and then you're finally just going to copy or you're just going to paste your form there. Your link there, and you can submit it. And that link is going to have the full video for me to see. So you should submit that.